Maintaining a strong Amazon FBA ranking is vital for success in e-commerce. It requires a meticulous approach that combines product listing optimization, sales generation, inventory management, and excellent seller performance. To achieve this, start by optimizing your product listings for SEO. Conduct thorough keyword research using tools such as Helium 10 or Jungle Scout to identify high-volume, low-competition keywords. Ensure your product title is concise and incorporates these primary keywords while being clear and readable. Craft engaging bullet points and descriptions that highlight the benefits and features naturally, interspersing secondary keywords to enhance visibility. In addition to keyword optimization, maintaining competitive pricing plays a crucial role. Utilize repricing tools like RepricerExpress to ensure your products remain enticing in a dynamic market. Implement strategic discounts or coupons to incentivize potential buyers and boost your sales velocity. Consistent sales are critical. Leverage Amazon PPC campaigns to gain visibility and drive traffic. Consider off-Amazon marketing techniques through social media or email promotion to expand your reach while adhering to Amazon's guidelines. Engaging in deals such as lightning deals can create urgency and draw additional customers. Gathering and sustaining positive reviews is another cornerstone of a strong Amazon ranking. Consider enrolling eligible products in the Amazon Vine program to receive trustworthy feedback. Utilize Amazon's Request a Review feature to gently encourage satisfied customers to share their experiences. When faced with negative reviews, address customer concerns promptly and professionally to mitigate potential damage to your reputation. Maintaining high seller performance metrics, including a low order defect rate and a steady inventory performance index, will further solidify your standing as a trusted seller. Always keep an eye on your competitors and adjust your strategies accordingly. This could mean differentiating your offer with unique bundles, superior products, or enhanced listings. Lastly, harness the power of external traffic through platforms such as Google Ads and social media to strengthen your brand presence while improving your conversion rates through engaging visuals and customer interaction. Following these steps diligently will empower you to sustain and enhance your Amazon FBA ranking.